Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. So to answer Makiba's question, all you need to make chickpea flour is dried chickpeas. Easy peasy, am I right? Let's do this. First, rinse your chickpeas to get rid of dust and debris. Spread the chickpeas out on a paper towel. Hey Makiba, I hope you're following. Anyway, use your hands to further spread them out so they dry evenly. Next, gently pat them dry with a paper towel. That's the hard part. Now we're gonna let it dry for at least 2 to 3 days. To save some time, I'm gonna be using a batch that's already dried. Next, you're going to blend it on the higher setting on your blender. So don't worry about getting a fine powder on your first run. Next, pass it through a sieve. So you don't have to discard this. You can use it to make chickpea soup or even a falafel. So this is what it looks like after the first pass in the blender. Next, we're going to put it back in a blender cup and blend it a second time. If you have a really powerful blender, you might be able to get away with just a single pass. So there you have it, chickpea flour. So to answer your question, Makiba, no, you're not doomed, and no, you don't have to go out to buy chickpea flour anymore. You can use chickpea flour to make chickpea scramble, omelette, or patties. Check out my recipe in the link above. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Manny and I make recipes from all around the world. If you would like a comment to be featured in future content, drop a comment in the comment section below telling me what you would like to see. I make new videos every week, so you might just get lucky. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.